Good afternoon, everyone. Here's Joe from Joe's Car Reviews. If this is your first time here, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. Also, make sure you have your notifications turned on so that we know when to upload a new video. So today, we're going to be taking an in-depth look at the all-new 2021 Dodge Durango RT. This is going to be a full tour of the Durango RT. I'm going to start up. I'm also going to show the engine, and I'm also going to show you guys the inside as well as the outside of the SUV. So with that being said, here's the key. Just going to climb on in and get started. You got your unlock, lock, your trunk button, your remote start, and your panic button. It also has Dodge's smart key access system, so just keep the key fob in your pocket. And the doors are currently unlocked. To lock, push this button. That locks the car for you. To unlock, you just simply put your hammer on the door handle, and it automatically locks the door for you. The color exterior is white, and it has black leather interior. Power driver's seat with power recline and power lumbar. This push button start as well. All you have to do is put your foot on the brake and hit the button to start the engine. Very nice. It's got a full leather wrapped steering wheel. That's a smooth power steering. You also have sport grips intended too. It's got an 8-speed automatic transmission with manual shiftability. Or you can shift via the paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. You also have your integrated backup camera with guidance lines. Your parking brake's located down there. Alright, let's go to on the lights, fog lights, as well as the hazards. It's got an automatic driver's side window, and we'll check out the exterior. You got your LED turn signal mirrors. It's got the Hemi. It's got LED headlights with the LED daytime running lights. You have your LED turn signal indicators. And there's your fog lights. LED tail lights with the LED turn signal indicators. exhaust. Alright, so I'm gonna pop the hood. Coming up to the hood, you have Dodge's 5.7 liter Hemi V8. Wash fluid right there. Get your coolant. Very nice. Got your power windows, power door locks, window lock, your power mirrors, storage down there, your two-person memory settings. Alright, let's gonna give a couple of revs. Very nice. We'll get the exhaust. Very nice. Just gonna check out the inside. Got your climate control with your temperature, or you mean your fan speed right here, and your different temperatures right here. It is dual zone. You have your different modes. You have your recycling, air conditioning, your automatic, front defrost, rear defrost. You have your mute button, your 3-stage heated seats for the driver and passenger. You also have your heated steering wheel as well. You have your sport on, your eco off, your hazards, your traction control off, and your parking sensors. And right there, you have your 2 USB outlets. You have your auxiliary input, and you have your wireless phone charger right here, your cup holders, key storage. You have some storage in there, and you have a total power outlet right there. Check out the radio.
even give you a free consultation on your servers and storage devices.
Change the station.
Customs.
Let's see. Doesn't sound too bad.
Romans chapter 12.
Just gonna see that.
Chapter 12 and 14. The gifts of the Holy Spirit.
So here's your home screen. So you have your navigation, your radio, and your phone. Media. This is your radio. You have your satellite radio right here. Your Bluetooth phone.
Some plus volunteers that makes this church.
You have your comfort, which is your climate control. So you have your fan speed, your temperature,
I don't have sales capabilities.
different modes. You know, you have it all here. Navigation.
Are you hearing me? God calls his people out of the grip of hell, gives them eternal life by putting
Really love the graphics.
and then until we go home to be with Jesus, he equips every Christian in a local church with certain gifts that are
Very nice.
deposited
Your phone.
in the Holy Spirit's sovereignty
Vehicle.
in the life of a Christian, and then it is incumbent upon you to do.
You have your headrest fold and your review camera.
Jesus Christ. And if you don't do it, you're only practicing.
And the rear headrest do fold.
Christianity, and it doesn't work.
Or they're probably already folded down. It's probably for the third row. Yeah, it's very simple, easy to use.
By God's grace, hopefully help you with this. Each one has received a gift. Most believers have multiple gifts.
You have your cruise control,
A primary gift.
your driver info system,
It's divine. It's not based on human talent. So a moment ago I picked on this Tony Robbins guy. I don't know what I'm talking about, but I understand he's a speaker, motivational guy. He has the gift of gab. He can sell things. He can talk. Oh man, we ought to make him a pastor.
and you have your Bluetooth phone controls and your voice command,
He'll fly.
turn signals,
And then somebody looks and says, what can that bozo do in life?
your wipers,
And then God's
There's
Holy
high
Spirit
speed.
comes upon them, and like Samson,
and there's low speed.
an army with natural appearance but with supernatural strength. Are you with me? This is the Christian life. God, you Christian.
And right there, you got your tachometer, your speedometer, your temperature gauge, and your fuel gauge. And right there is your gear selector.
Why isn't it? If today you don't know what your gift is, you want to know why? It's because the lordship of Jesus Christ is lacking in your life. So I mean this. You've never said, Lord, here I am. You do whatever you want with me. You say, I'll do it. And God, I just heard that sermon today. Never thought about it like that before. Saw it in the Bible. I can see Jack's not making this up. I can see this right here. God, I'm going to ask you. Show me what my gift, or gifts might be for the church, for the edification of the body. God, show me.
You got your interior lights.
And you pray it. Then you would stay tuned and listen to what God is about to do with you next. Because I promise you right now, if you ask God regarding
You have your tailgate button, your garage home link, full power sunroof. It's got an automatic rearview mirror.
You never really thought about it before. It's not that you didn't care, you just didn't think about it, but all of a sudden now, when you hear the word homeless or when you see a homeless person, you are
You have your gauge brightness right here.
and it actually messes up your life. You have your stomach. You get like your
This turns on the interior lights also.
and you're burdened with them and about them. And you can't explain it. And then you don't know what to do with it, but you think, I'm going to give them some food. I'm going to go swing through McDonald's, swing back around, I'm going to give them some food. When you give them the food, and you simply say, you know what, this isn't.
Alright, so I guess that's it for the inside. Go put the window down. And we'll check out the back seat. Power window. Storage. You have your map pocket. You have one on the driver's side. You also have one on the passenger side. You got your air vents right there. Different modes. You have your house outlet right here. 2-stage heated seats for the rear passengers. And you can also control your climate controls back here with your fan speed, temperature, different modes. You have your interior lights.
Ephesians 4, listen, Ephesians 4, starting at verse 7. But to each one,
And you have your air vents.
grace was given according to the measure of Christ's gift. Notice, gift and grace. Supernatural. Therefore, he says, when he ascended on high,
And the total price for this one
gifts to men. Verse 11.
is $51,080, and the base price is $45,305. And the MPG is 14 city and 22 highway.
Work of the ministry, and here's the reason, for the edifying of the body of Christ, the church. For how long? Till we all come to the unity of the faith, of the knowledge of the Son of God, to a complete or perfect man, to the measure of the stature of the fullness of Christ. Church, listen.
You have your cup holders down here.
To be operating our gift. Watch. It's a gift given by God, divinely graced upon your life to the benefit of the person around you, the people around you.
Alright, so gonna check out the hatch. You have a nice amount of cargo space. You have storage in there. I'm gonna put these back up. You have your 12-volt power outlet right there. And you have your storage in there. You have your power window, power door locks, storage, full power seats.
Until next time, Pastor Jack Hibbs and all of us here at Real Radio wish for you solid and steady growth in Christ.
Your glove box. Here's your owner's manual right here. All right, let's go shut everything down. Well guys, hope you enjoyed the tour on the all-new 2021 Dodge Durango RT. If you're interested in buying this car at Moritz Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram, please give them a call. I'll leave the link and the telephone number down in the description down below. That's all for watching, and goodbye. Stay tuned for my next video.